Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Diane and I hope you're all okay. So let's get to it. Hi guys. Oh, got another package for unboxing. So, got another big bag for unboxing. This is from Beebeecraft again. They must have liked my videos that I did for them last time, so this is another unboxing. They've sent me 5 more products to test, which I chose myself. So let's have a look what we got. They do a YouTube program for channels with, as long as you have at least 100 subscribers, which is great for small channels like myself and many of you out there. You can sign up and work with them if you want to. All the details will be linked in the description below. So first up is this kit. So you get a mixing cup with extra bits. So just your standard mixing cup. Pack of, I'm assuming, 10 little finger culottes. I think they're called that. Little pack with 5 little stirry sticks. A pack of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pipettes. And then the mould. It's advertised as an ashtray. I gave up smoking over 10 years ago now, so don't need it. Nobody smokes in my house. But I don't think it needs to be an ashtray. I think it's just a beautiful mould and will make a beautiful little trinket dish. I'm not sure if you can tell from this angle, but it's actually like a mountain range with big circle dip in the middle. If I turn it that way up, you might be able to see it better. So this bit will be I'm going to use as like a trinket dish, and then this will be the mountains all around the edge. But I just thought that looked really nice, so I'm looking forward to trying that one. So let's pop that aside. Next up are some coasters. I was a little bit disappointed with this one when I opened it, because on the website the picture looked like you was getting 5 coaster moulds and the actual housing to put the coasters in, but unfortunately it didn't come that way. It's just 6 coaster moulds. I love the coasters, they're really cool shape. I've never seen coaster moulds like this before, so I love those, but I just wish I had the housing for it. So maybe I'll have to look on the website and see if I can find that and get that. So that's those. That's 6 of these. I will put all links for and prices on the screen in the description below. But I'm looking forward to trying those as well, because not the average shape, are they? Something different. Next up we have a pack of 2 of these. They're leaf. They're both exactly the same, but I think they're absolutely beautiful. They're leaf trinket dishes. They're little shallow things, but I thought they were really pretty, and I love leaves, love nature, so I thought those would be nice to make as well. Okay, this is another kit. Excuse the noise. Do it as quick as I can. Whip it out. Right, oh, okay, so we get a firm little pot with this one. 50 mils to there. Useful, I guess. You get 5 pipettes. Is it 5? 2? Yeah, 5 pipettes. Oh, and them are so adorable. Hang on, let me just open this. Look at these. These are so cute. I'm sorry, but these are just so adorable. Last time I seen something like this was when I had an ice cream when I was a little kid. That was a while ago. But they weren't plastic. They were wooden back then. But you get 5 of these cute little spoons. How adorable are those? Look at them. Oh dear, I do get so easily pleased with silly little things. And little things. But you get 5 5. I've never seen one with 5 in before. Anyway, you get 5 finger things. And then this is a mould to make a little storage, stackable storage pot, which looks like a bit like Lego. So from what I can gather, it also comes with this solo, which I shall quickly show you. I'll talk about the mould in a minute. But what is good is this will actually go together like so. No, not with my gloves on, silly. I don't even know why I've got gloves on. But anyway, I've got gloves on now. Right, this will go together. Whoops, and it will hold this. And I will take the mould back out, you silly woman, first. Right. I wish more moulds came with these. Oh, I've got my glove again. Right. So, this will keep the mould perfectly squared. As you can see, no bowing at the sides, which is fantastic because, as you know, a lot of these moulds, they will bow. Once you put the weight of the resin in, they will bow out and they will misshape. And with something like this, you need them to be perfectly square so that they will stack. So this is great. So I'm happy about that. But the way I think this works is you'd make, say if you're going to make a stack of 2, let's just say 2. You'd make 2 of the base unit, which is this, the storage pot. And then these little bibbly bits here will make like holes. Not holes. Yes, it will be holes. It'll leave holes in there. And this one, I'm assuming, will leave bigger holes. No, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know how this works, actually. I guess I'll just have to put it together to fathom it out. Because this will be the bottom. I'm assuming them things must work with this, because when this is like, I'm assuming it will be a separator lid for the stackable one, I guess. So you'd put this on top of the bottom one once it's made. And I'm assuming them little peg things there will fit in there somehow. I don't know. I'm getting a bit confused. But then you put another one on top, and then that one would go on the top as the display piece. I think. I don't actually know. We'll have to make it up and work it out together, I suppose. But yeah, that's that kit. But yeah, okay. I confused myself. If I confused you, I'm terribly sorry. Because I really did confuse myself there. But last up, these are just adorable. Absolutely adorable. I couldn't return these down. I just couldn't leave these on the site. They were just like screaming for me to get these. They're little coaster moulds again. I'm a sucker for coaster moulds, and I'm a sucker for a cat. Look at that face. Look at that. How cute is it? They're not very big, but they're ideal just for, they'll be fine, I guess, for a mug. But they're just so damn cute. Look at it. So you get a pack of 5, so you can make a nice little setup. And I just think they're absolutely adorable, and can't wait to give them a try. So anyway, that's that video. Like I say, if I've got I believe there is a discount code for you all again. If you are interested in any of them, the links will be below. They are links that are especially so that they know that you've seen the products on my videos, so they know where you're coming from, and so that they know if it's working with me filming for them. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some of these made up soon, and hopefully you'll like them. I think we'll try this one first because I'm really curious at how it works. Because my brain just can't comprehend it at the moment. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.